these are my new two friends, the invisible gloves so that I don't get any paints in my hands, and the silicone cup that I'm gonna use, and it has ounces and milliliters, and then you can put the amount of paint that you want to put on your pour. And I have many colors here today, probably too many, but let's see what's gonna happen. I have Dioxazine Purple, Cobalt Blue Hue, Primary Magenta, Yellow Green Light, Cobalt Teal Hue, Primary Yellow, and Titanium White. The Titanium White is going to be used to lighten these three colors. You want to lighten these three colors, and these ones are going to be straight from the tube. So let's get started. I also have the gloss medium because I'm going to add that to the Titanium White, which doesn't have any gloss. I'm going to add also the white to the Cobalt Blue Hue. Forgot to tell you that I was going to add it to the Cobalt Blue Hue. And I'm going to also add it to the Dioxazine Purple, but I'm going to have some Dioxazine Purple also without the white. These are the colors that we're going to be using today. I am making two versions of this color by adding more of the Cobalt Teal Hue. And I never use this many opaque colors. I'm inventing here, testing this new pouring medium by DecoArt, this fabulous new pouring medium by DecoArt. And I am testing what is going to happen if I have all these colors that are very, very opaque. So let's see what's gonna happen with this experiment. Now I'm gonna add the pouring medium slowly until I have the consistency that I need, and I put it in this here because it's easy to control the amount that you put in there, because at the beginning you can add, doesn't matter how much you add, but then you have to start adding it slowly. So I put it in here. I remember for the white we're gonna put some of the gloss medium. I decided to add a darker color because there's so many light colors. This is Prussian Blue Hue. Next step is adding the Dimethicone 500, and since I have more color in the ones that I have less color, I'm going to add 1 drop. In the ones that I have more color, I'm going to add 2 drops. So 1 drop to the ones that have less color and 2 drops on the ones that have more color. Important, do not mix it too much. And I'm not going to fast forward the next part. We're going to start with the light colors, which are the ones that are going to come last. So the ones that you put first are the ones that you're going to come last. And I'm going to start cut. I'm going to start with the dark colors. And I'm going to start, this is my light section, so I'm going to start putting them on one side. Notice that I'm putting them all on one side, on the side of the spout, which is the light area. Let's see, let's put this other blue. Let's put even a lighter blue. in the light area. You see how I'm tucking them? Okay, so let's go with the green. And the yellow. See how many ounces I have? I want to have only 8 ounces, so it can still get a tiny bit more. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of white, not too much in there. Maybe let's start with the yellow on top of that white. Okay, so that's not my, I have like 7 ounces, but that's not all I'm gonna have. And now I'm gonna bring the canvas. I believe this is a 12 by 18 canvas, and I'm gonna put white on top. Okay, so let's bring this, and we're gonna, the cup, we're gonna pour from the light area. And this time I'm not gonna move it, I'm just gonna put it all in there very slowly. Remember, it has silicone. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna torch it. So let's move these, see what's gonna happen in here. I'm moving it on a circular motion. I'm gonna spread it and then I can torch again. Wanted to start this time with the dark colors because I have done many where I have started with the light colors, so this time I wanted to do it different. And I'm gonna torch these as soon as I've finished moving it. Okay, I'm gonna torch it again. I have to put some butane on my torch. So I am torching. I did a 3 ring with this medium, and I didn't put any silicone, and I got more sales, and it was probably because the colors were not opaque, and these are many opaque colors. So opaque colors doesn't let you pop up too many cells. So now I'm gonna move it again, because I want to move it this way. I like what is forming in there. I may want to extend that part. So let's move it this way. It's moving very slowly. Now I'm gonna start filling it. What I'm gonna do is fill that section but with yellow. I have a lot of yellow on the floor. Let's see if I can do that. So I'm gonna take the yellow from that floor and put it in here and there, and then that's gonna be it. So I hope you like what we did. Thank you for joining me.